So smartphone technologies are progressively increasing and Samsung has once again shown that they can produce great smartphones. Yeah guys, I'm talking about the S9 and S9 Plus. This is Hamid, you're watching Tech Rebound. Let's get started. The Samsung Galaxy S9's party piece is a seriously impressive camera, but there's much more than that to it has got to tell. It almost resembles the small brother S8 but is an excellent phone by the way it stands out to be. With infinity display, wireless charging and live translation, it's so much better. So moving to the design part, what we can say is S9, S8 and Note 8 almost resemble each other in the screen size. A quick scan of the S9 spec sheet shows the same infinity display screen size, 5.8 inches, resolution QHD plus and an aspect ratio of 8.5:9 as its predecessor. Now the Samsung's S9 and S9 Plus do make one significant improvement though. The fingerprint sensor has been relocated. It's no longer placed on the side of the camera module, now it's centered beneath it, easy to reach and very design friendly. So talking about the screen size, S9 and S9 Plus have screen sizes of 5.8 inches and 6.2 inches respectively. Yeah, so fingerprint technology is one way to unlock your phone. But the intelligent scanning in S9 and S9 Plus is a combination of iris scanning and facial recognition built in. Much like the standard iris scanner, intelligent scan can also be used to unlock the Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus as soon as the screen turns on. So talking about the speakers, Samsung has acquired Harman. So the speaker technology is now great. The Samsung S9 and S9 Plus provide two speakers in the front and are equipped with full sound surround Dolby Atmos speakers. So in comparison with the S8 Plus, the S9 sounds so much better due to the dual speakers and the Dolby Atmos. So now talking about the storage, the internal memory of S9 is at 64 GB and the external memory can be expanded up to 128 GB and it has a RAM of 4 GB. So talking about the S9 Plus, it has an internal memory of 64 GB. The external memory can be expanded up to 400 GB and it has a RAM of 6 GB. AR emojis or augmented reality emojis are just like the ones you have seen in the iPhone 10, but in the S9 or S9 Plus, once you capture your face, the AR system automatically makes an AR emoji just like your face, and then these emojis can be used on Snapchat, WhatsApp and all those social media websites. Talking about the Bixby live translation, once any language is detected by the phone, then it can be translated easily, and this is one of the awesome features that Samsung has implemented and I liked it so much. Talking about the highlight of this smartphone, the camera. Tighten your belts and hear this thing out. The S9 and S9 Plus comes with the world's first ever variable aperture camera. The dual aperture supports f1.5 mode for low light photos and f2.4 mode for daylight photos. So it's basically a 12 megapixel camera that shoots awesome photos for you. The image stabilization and video stability in this phone is so perfect that you'll fall in love with it. So if that was not enough, S9 and S9 Plus come with a super slow-mo mode that shoots the video at 960 fps full HD. You get to shoot a video of 0.2 seconds and it can be extended up to 6 seconds. Now both the phones are rocking Snapdragon 845 processor or Exynos 9810 according to the region you're living in. Talking about the S9, it has a battery of 3000 mAh and the S9 Plus has a battery of 3500 mAh, and these are available in different colors: midnight black, coral blue and lilac purple. The phone comes with so many security features and with Knox 3.1 to use in enterprise and business locations, and this is actually to be used by professionals. So there is a new DeX pad, and this is a feature that iPhone cannot compete with at all. There is a new DeX dock where you could use your Galaxy S9 as an even more powerful computer, using your phone as a trackpad and a lot more. Dust and water resistant, wireless charging and everything you could all imagine about. This is the S9 Plus. The price in India could range from 60 to 65k. Tell me what you like the most about this phone in the comments below. and don't forget to share this video and subscribe. Now if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Check out my last video on Instagram tricks. Until next time, see you guys, and I am signing off.